Hello everyone. Today, me and my friends Ahmed and Joel are going to talk about a very big issue, which is space junk. This is table of content. Introduction. So today, we are unveiling a game-changing solution for cleaning up space junk. As we expand our presence in space, the issue of space debris poses a serious threat to our mission. But we have an innovative plan to tackle this issue head-on.
The problem, space junk. Space junk is a growing problem in space because it's made up of old spaceship parts and broken satellites. There are over 20,000 big pieces and lots of tiny ones flying around. And if they crash into working spacecraft, it can cause big problems. There's even something called Kessler syndrome, which could stop us from exploring space for a long time. To fix this, we need to act fast. We should develop technology to remove the junk, improve how we manage traffic in space, and work together globally. Ignoring this problem could really slow down our space adventures. Proposed solution. We can find and closely follow the bigger pieces of space junk using advanced technology like laser ranging. It's like using super precise laser to measure exactly where they are and where they are going in space. This helps us keep an eye on them and avoid collisions with satellites and spacecraft. Remove the debris from their current. Second, we can clean up space junk by taking it out of its current orbit and guiding it back into Earth's atmosphere. We can do this using either tethered nets or robotic arms. Imagine it's like using a big net or a robot arm to grab the junk and pull it down to burn up safely in Earth's atmosphere, so it doesn't pose a threat anymore. Third, once we have brought the space debris back to Earth's atmosphere and safely disposed of it, we can do something smart with it. We can recycle the useful parts and materials, just like recycling paper or plastic. And guess what? The parts that can't be recycled can still be valuable. We can sell them to make some money. So not only we are cleaning up the space, but we are also making a profit by being environmentally responsible.
Vision. To be a leading and trusted provider of innovative space debris removal solutions, faster, safer, and sustainable space environment for future generations. Our mission is to actively contribute to the preservation of space by developing and deploying cutting-edge technology for the removal of orbital debris. We are committed to ensure the long-term viability of space activities, protecting critical satellites, assets, and reducing the risk of collisions in Earth's orbit. Our core values. We embrace continuous innovation as a driving force behind our solutions. We constantly seek new technologies and methods to advance the field of space debris removal. Space junk removal market analysis. Our current solutions. There are currently several methods for removing space debris, including nets and harpoons to capture the debris and bring it back to Earth. Lasers to vaporize the debris in orbit. Electrodynamic tethers to slow down the debris and cause it to fall back to Earth. The opportunities. Space junk removal market presents several opportunities for growth and innovation, including development of new, more efficient debris removal technologies. Expansion of services to include debris prevention and mitigation. Financial projections. The space junk removal market is expected to grow significantly in the coming years, with an estimated revenue of $2.9 billion by 2026. Our goals. Space junk is a danger to missions with astronauts, like those to ISS. Getting rid of this junk makes it safer for astronauts because it lowers the chance of their spacecrafts colliding with space debris or the ISS. Second, cleaning up space debris is like protecting astronauts and their missions. It lowers the risk of accidents by reducing the chance of collisions between space stations, spacecraft, and space junk. It's all about keeping everyone safe. Third, getting rid of space junk is crucial for keeping space activities going strong, especially with more countries joining in. By doing this, we make sure that the technologies and resources we rely on in space will be available for future generations. It is like taking care of our space neighborhood for the long term. Gaining companies' interest. It's easy to get business interested because we are solving a big problem for them. Most aerospace companies have to worry about their satellites or rocket running into space junk. We are doing them a favor by cleaning up that very same space junk, making their launches smoother. It is a win-win for both the parties. The opportunity. Space debris removal is a money-making opportunity. The market for cleaning up space junk is growing because there are more satellites and hence more safety worries. Governments and companies investing in space exploration need a dependable junk removal process, making this a promisable business.
Revenue model. Selling debris to the airspace industry. Debris from space often contains unique material that scientists can use for research purpose. We plan to sell debris to research labs. Space debris removal service subscription model. Offer subscription-based service to satellite operators and other space entities for ongoing space debris monitoring and removal. Government contracts. We plan to bid for government contracts to clear space debris from critical orbits.
Our budget and resources needed. Debris detection technology will cost $100,000. Deorbiting technology will cost $500,000. Things like robotic arms and tools will cost $1.5 million. Research and development will cost $1 million, and employee salary and benefits will cost $2 million annually. We would require a team of aerospace engineers, technicians, and business professionals, costing approximately $4.5 per year.
Projected sales. Year 1. Projected revenue, $500 million, $250 million, profit, $250 million. Year 2. Projected revenue, $700 million, expense, $270 million, profit, $430 million. Year 3. Projected revenue, $1 billion, expense, $350 million, profit, $650 million.
A look at the future. So, our space junk removal company aims to clean up the mess in space and make the future safer for everyone. We are ensuring that future generations can explore space without the risk of dangerous debris in Earth's orbit. Conclusion. In short, our space junk removal business plan tackles a crucial issue while creating a profitable and sustainable venture. We have technology that appeals to government, agency, private companies, and space exploration groups. Plus, our focus on environment and safety benefits makes it a win-win for us and the space community. Thank you.
Thank you.